Happy 60th birthday, Ate Bibing. God bless you always and stay healthy.
Happy birthday, my love. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, sister. You're so beautiful today. You are already a member of our club, senior citizen. Love you, sister.
Oh, Madam Brenda, happy birthday to you. Happy golden birthday. Happy 60th birthday. And happy fruitful senior years of your life. Happy birthday. Okay.
Hi, Auntie. Happy birthday and welcome to Senior Citizen Discount. Enjoy.